In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use OneNote across all your devices. OneNote is a versatile note-taking application that works seamlessly across computers, tablets, and smartphones, making it easy to access your notes wherever you are. Whether you're using a Windows PC, a Mac, an iPad, or an Android device, OneNote keeps your content synchronized so you can stay productive on the go. To begin, make sure you have OneNote installed on each device you want to use. For Windows and Mac, you can download the desktop app from the official Microsoft website. On mobile devices, visit the App Store or Google Play Store and install the OneNote app. Once installed, sign in with your Microsoft account. Using the same account on all devices is crucial, as it allows OneNote to sync your notebooks across platforms automatically. After signing in, open OneNote and ensure your notebooks are stored in the cloud, such as OneDrive or SharePoint. Notebooks stored locally on one device won't automatically appear on other devices, so cloud storage is key for seamless access. You can create a new notebook in the cloud or move an existing local notebook to OneDrive by using the Share or Move options within the app. Once your notebooks are in the cloud, any changes you make on one device will automatically sync to all others connected to your account. For example, if you add a note on your mobile phone, you'll see it appear on your desktop app within moments. This synchronization works in real time, provided you have an active internet connection. To work offline, simply open the notebook on your device while connected to the internet first. OneNote will download a local copy, allowing you to make edits even without connectivity. When you reconnect to the internet, all changes will automatically sync to the cloud. Additionally, OneNote supports collaboration. You can share notebooks with colleagues, friends, or family, granting either view or edit access. Changes made by others are also synced in real time, keeping everyone on the same page. By following these steps, you can take full advantage of OneNote across all your devices, ensuring your notes are always accessible and up to date, whether you're at home, in the office, or on the move. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.